Dear friends of the mystical path, have you noticed it yet? Every day you create your reality of life with your thoughts, your feelings, your behavior, and your activities. We do a lot of things subconsciously, and because we do not know what we are doing, we create problems for ourselves that we do not need. The spiritual path is about clarity and a higher level of awareness. If we are conscious creators, then we can consciously create our lives in a positive and fulfilling way. In our course, we look at both sides of the creation processes together, which leads to a deeper understanding and offers the possibility to replace subconscious negative creation processes with positive conscious ones. In this way, problems not only dissolve, but we manage more and more to create our life in a way that is good and desirable for us. Special spiritual techniques help us to dissolve negativity and consciously create the desired situations in life. In addition to this practical work, we also discuss the framework of possibilities that the current incarnation offers. Please have also a look at the other videos for each single course. Thank you for your kind attention. I wish you as always the best and much love. See you soon.